Oh my god, this is looking so real. Hi there, welcome to my new video. You all know that in my previous video I had drawn.
久しぶりだな、Zenitsu.
So in this video I'm going to color this drawing of Zenitsu and give it a life. To color this drawing I'm using color pencils and it is Brustro's colored pencils.
Oh my god!
It is one of my personal favorite color pencils. Let us quickly begin the coloring process. I'm using these shades of yellow for the drawing because majority it is filled with the yellow color. Since I've not used these color pencils recently, I have to sharpen these.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my unique sharpener. I don't know from where did I steal it. Just kidding, guys. Yeah, finally it is sharp and now it is ready to color. First, I'm starting with the hair of Zenitsu. I'm using lemon yellow as a base color for the hair. Let's get started. After the base color, I'm using this golden yellow color to color the darker regions. So the hair part looks something like this after coloring it, but these marks are not going at all. I'm using this orange color to further color the hair because some regions are colored lightly with the orange color. So I'm lightly coloring it with the orange one. Let's see what happens next. Zenitsu's character is one of the most iconic one in Demon Slayer. His dress, his hair consists of a different level of aura. So I have even colored the orange part, but these marks is really frustrating me. No problem, let's continue with the skin part in which I'm using this skin shade for the Zenitsu's face and hands. So the skin part is done. Now I'm remaining with the dress part. So let's finish it off. Before starting coloring of the dress, let's have some hydration because you all know that hydration is very important. I'll get back to you soon.
A few moments later.
Okay, my color pencil requires some sharpness, so let's quickly sharpen it. Oh my god, this was truly unexpected. I don't know whether shall I laugh or cry. This is the most frustrating part as an artist. It's okay, let's now move on to the next part where I'm going to color the darker regions in his dress. I'm going to color this with a little bit darker yellow than the base color. So let's do it quickly. Yeah, finally I have colored the darker regions of the dress, which is looking a little bit bright now. After coloring this part, I forgot to record the time lapse. I'm sorry. Let us now quickly color the other side of the dress. Now I'm using this black color to add the contrast part in this dress. So let's quickly do it. Now it is time to color this sword, which is my favorite one. Let us quickly color this sword with the transition. I know the transition was not that good, but the sword has come out very nicely. Now it's time to color the cloth, the inner cloth of Zenitsu, which is with the brown shade. I'm using this shade of brown as a base color. Later on, I'm using this brown shade to make it more darker. Let us quickly transfer this color here. Yeah, it's done. Now it's time to color the other part of the dress. Let's do it. Oh my god, the coloring part is done and it looks something like this. I think something is missing still. So yeah, the highlighting part is still pending. So I've highlighted it, but still something is missing. Yeah, this background. Yeah, finally I did it with the help of the pencil and it looks something good. But still some things are missing from here.
A few moments later.
Finally, I have done the missing things from this electric eraser and it has turned out so nice. Oh my god, the final drawing is here, completely colored, and it is looking so nice. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. In the previous one, I have made some mistake in the drawing part. I hope I've covered all those mistakes in this coloring part. If you have liked the complete drawing of Zenitsu, then make sure to like, subscribe and share it with all your Demon Slayer fans. I'll meet you in the next one.